HICCTV Security Group.
Okay, in this video we want to show you how you can set AI tripwire or perimeter for Dahua cameras, Dahua NVR. In the main menu we can go to the AI and then IVS, parameters, IVS. In this part you can select tripwire or perimeter. First I will delete this one. I click on the apply and then I go to the add. I select tripwire because tripwire is more accurate in compared to perimeter. So I prefer to select tripwire. Rule number 1, I click on the draw. Okay, in this section we need to select the direction. So the best one is both. You can select A to B, B to A, but I prefer to select both. And then you can select human or motor vehicle. And then I will draw a tripwire like this. And when it's end, just right click. Again. Just right click and you will see the tripwire. When it's done, just click on the OK. And that's about it.
Private land, no entry. Private land, no entry. Private land, no entry.